Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So for today's video, we're going to play around with Cricut's new foil transfer kit. I'll have everything you need in the description box below. If you like the video, you learned something new, make sure you give my video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, before we jump into the tutorial, let's see what's inside this box. So the Cricut Transfer Foil Kit comes with this instruction pamphlet that's in several different languages. And then we have our foil and our tape. And the Transfer Foil Kit comes with 6 silver foils and 6 gold foils. And they're both 4x6. And then it comes with about 3 sheets of this adhesive tape. I didn't count how many strips of tape were on there, but you get about 3 pages of it. And then you have your housing, and then you have your 3 blades. I don't want to call them blades because they're not sharp enough to cut anything, but yeah, blades. And they're fine, medium, and dull. And you just kind of hold the housing down and stick it in there. But then honestly, you know what? You don't even need to hold that down to put it in there, only to take it out. So really, you just stick your little blade inside the housing and you're good to go. Okay, so that's everything that was in the kit. And I'm just going to place everything back inside so I can keep up with it. In order to get my kit, I had to order it offline. I ordered it from Cricut.com. But I know that Michaels and Joann carries it as well. So just check your local craft store to see how you'll be able to grab you one too. Alright guys, to start off with our tutorial, we're going to start off with the blank screen and design space. And I've already uploaded the SVGs that I want to use for this project, okay? So what we're going to do is, so here's my SVGs. For this one, I just want one of the words, so I'm just going to ungroup that and take this part off. And the transfers that come in the kit are 4x6. So that is the dimensions I'm going to make my designs. So actually, this is cool. That width and stuff is cool. And let me check this one. Let me see what the auto adjustment will be. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's a good size. And let me just see what happens if I make this 4. Okay. So we have our SVGs, right? So we're going to go up here to line type. And you have your foil, then you have fine, medium, and bold. So let's see what it would look like in fine. Let me change the color of my canvas. Let's do purple. And let's get rid of these grids. Okay, so this is what it will look like fine. Okay, so let's go back up here and see what it will look like medium. And see what it will look like in bold. I think I like it best in bold, so I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. See what it look like in bold, medium, and fine. Well, let's just do one in bold, let's do this one in medium, just so we can kind of see the difference. And in the transfer kit, you get 2 colors. So you get gold and you get silver. So let's change this design over here to silver. So we're going to go back up here to the toolbar, click this little gold, and change it to silver. And these are all the other colors that they have available in the transfer sheet. Now, from what I've seen, you can only get like gold and silver in big 12x12 sheets. The rest of these colors come in a pack, and I want to say that they're 4x6 as well, but I've only seen it online. I haven't gotten my hand on any because none of my local stores are selling this. I had to order my foil transfer kit offline. Okay, so we have our bold, we have our medium. Let's find something else to do and make it fine. So let's do some text that we type out. And I'm just going to type my name. Let me see if I can find a cursive font. Okay, so you know with cursive your letters need to connect. So let me go up here to letter space and just start with 0 and just go down from there. Make it as close as possible. Okay, so these letters aren't getting, so I'm going to have to ungroup this and manually attach the letters myself. Just bring my chair a little bit closer. Okay, so everything's all attached. Let's select it all and hit attach again. And let's just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and this one is going to be fine. And we're just going to do all of this on a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock that I have. All right, so let's go ahead over to make it. Okay, so let's hold up a sec. Let's go back and let's put some shapes behind this so that it'll cut out and like it'll foil in, cut out a shape on our cardstock. So let's just do some hearts. Let's do a heart. Let's do a square. And let's do a circle. So I just want that to be bigger than my text. Let me see, go up here to arrange and move it to the back. Okay, and so if you do that, you need to select both of these and attach it. Okay, so that way it's going to foil on top of this and then it'll cut the shape out. So I'm just going to do that with both, well, with the rest of my shapes. Okay, so now I have everything attached and ready to go. So now we can go ahead over to make it. So I'm going to load my mat based on the directions on the screen right here. Okay, so it's telling me that I need to load the medium tip pin into clamp B. And it tells you you are able to identify the medium clamp by the 2 lines on there. And it's telling you to add the foil and load the map. Okay, so I'm going to follow these instructions and then we'll go ahead and load our map. Now, if you guys are using the 4x6 foil sheets that come in the kit like I did in this tutorial, make sure you pay attention to the placement of your design so that you can put the foil exactly where your design is on your mat right here that's pictured on the screen. And because I'm using multiple blades on one mat, it's going to stop my project and tell me without removing the mat to go ahead and insert my other blade. And then once it's finished foiling that, it'll stop pressing again and instruct me to remove the foil so that it can cut out the shape of my project. And you do all these steps without removing the mat. Y'all, I'm really excited about this product from Cricut because I've wanted to foil for a long time. And I really love how you can foil like any SVG. How you can, how I use my own SVGs. I entered my own text. I love how you can do that. I love that right there. I have so many projects in mind for the future. So you guys should definitely grab you one of these foil kits too. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.